Welcome to the Band Bar Studios channel, where we create your entire fitness routine using only long loop resistance bands like these. So if your goal is to get fit from anywhere, this is the channel for you. So be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you never miss a workout. Today we have a upper body workout. This is a no repeat workout. So here's how it works. It's one circuit. You don't repeat any exercises. All you need are your bands. We're doing strength, upper body, chest, arms, back, everything. If you only have 15 minutes to work out, do this circuit once. If you have half an hour to work out, do this circuit twice. So play once, restart, take a little break, go for round two. If you have 45 minutes to work out, do this circuit 3 times, and it just targets everything really well. So be sure to warm up first. I'll put a warm up here, do that, come back here, and let's get right into it. Our first exercise is an overhead press with a little spice to it. So grab a band. You're going to stand on one end of it, 1 or 2 feet, depending on how much resistance you want. Starting at your chin, you're going to go all the way up, half down, up, all the way down. Okay? Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Good. So push all the way up, go about to the top of your head, then go back up, and then all the way down. So we're increasing the time under tension. Our elbows are in front of us. I don't want them completely beside you, to really make sure we're working our shoulders properly and safely. So push up, halfway, up, and down. Three, 2, 1. Good. All right, next we are doing a hammer curl. So grab any band that you like. I like to wrap the band around my hands like this. A hammer curl is a bicep curl, but with your thumbs up. So elbows to our side, grabbing the band with our thumbs up and curling up, okay? Let's get right into it. So focus on that pull up, keeping our elbows by our side to really focus on our bicep, pulling the band. Inhale, exhale. Good. So there should be resistance even at this bottom point here. I want you to feel that pull of the band constantly. Good. Done. All right. Next, we have a horizontal tricep extension. So from the top, your arms are going to be in this 90-degree angle, and then they're going to extend out, okay? So holding your band, double or single, hold your band at that 90-degree, and let's go. And then you extend your arms out, keeping your elbows in that same spot, and you should really feel the backs of your arms working. So right here, from the top, I look like that, and extend out, flex, hold at the back here with our arms out to really feel our triceps, the back of our arms, firing up. 5, 3, 2, 1. Good. All right, next we're going to do an underhand front raise. So front raise, lifting our hands up, but we're going to be underhand. So palms up, standing on a band. So like this, and lifting up from the side. We start where there's resistance and finish at shoulder height. Let's go. So we're working the front of our shoulders, our front delts. So only move. I'm not bringing my hands in front of me because there's slack on the band here. This is nothing. I start where there's resistance on the band and I end at shoulder height. So grab a band to make sure there's enough resistance. Or you can do things like wrap the band around your foot or your hand. Create that challenging resistance. Good. All right. Next, I'm going to grab another band, heavier band. We're going to do single arm overhead press. And this one, I want a neutral grip, which means thumb facing your face, knuckles facing the sky, elbows in. And we're just going to push up. Let's go. Push up and back down one side at a time. Good. So before our elbows were out, now I want them directly in front of your shoulder. Good. If by the end of this you need to give a little boost with your lower body, feel free. I would rather you do that than give up. We only have 3, 2, 1. Good. Whew. All right, other side. So again, if this is too light, if you're up here and there's slack on the band, you can wrap the band around your foot like that. It creates a little boost of resistance. So there's no excuse for not feeling almost muscle failure at the end of these 40 seconds. Okay, I want this to be challenging. That is how you build muscle with bands. Good. Good. 10 more seconds here. You got this. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. All right, next we're going to do a reverse grip bicep curl. So, bicep curl, normally our palms are up. Now I want our palms down. So you may choose a lighter resistance band than you would for a bicep curl. Elbows by our side and curling up. If this is uncomfortable for you or you don't feel it, then you can do a bicep curl. That's no problem. But this is a great alternative to work the other muscle in your biceps as well, because there are 2. Exhale, up. Inhale, down. Last one here. 3, 2, 1. Good. Next, I'm going to come a little closer to show you. We're going to do a standing tricep push down. So wrap the band around your hand. So there's like a small loop at the bottom. Cross that arm over. Put your other hand in that loop. Okay, so you have a good amount of resistance and you're going to push down to work your tricep. Okay? I'll stay up close so that you can see. So I have the band gripped in this hand. And if you need it to be harder, then just make this loop smaller. Three, 2, 1. Good. We're going to switch sides. So just like we did, wrap the band around your hand, create this little small loop here. Cross that arm with the band over. I had to check there mentally. Cross that band with the band in it over. Other hand, palm down. Push down. You should feel your triceps, the back of your arms working here. Right at this point. Good. Ooh. Almost done. 5 more seconds. Let's do 2 more reps, so 1 more. Good. All right. Whew. All right, next, we're gonna go to the mat, kneeling, and we're gonna do a vertical Sven press. So grab a band. I'm gonna try with orange, we'll see. Make prayer hands and put the band right in that notch on your thumb. And it's an overhead press from this position. Okay? So you can do this standing, but I prefer kneeling just for the band arrangement. So think of a vertical press. This works a lot more of your front delts, the front side of your shoulder, your delts, your shoulder, and your chest as well. So same thing as an overhead press, but this prayer hands really makes it a little more challenging. 3, 2, 1. Good. Okay, next, we're going to stay kneeling. You can also do this standing as well if you prefer. Alternating single arm bicep curl. So first, put the band in your hands like this to create 2 handles. I want you to stay at this middle point. Then one at a time, you're going to drop into a bicep curl and switch. Let's go. So I want there to be time under tension with this hand that's staying there. It's in an isometric hold. Other hand does a bicep curl. Ooh. By the end of this, your biceps should be screaming at you. This is intense. Good. 1 more rep. Done. Okay. And last exercise we're doing on both sides is a single arm rear delt fly, so back of our shoulders. You're going to put your hand in the band like this, palm down. Other hand is going to hold onto the band on the ground, tabletop position, and you're going to fly this hand out, slight bend in your elbow, and come back. So move, grab the band at a place where the resistance works, so that when you're up here it's challenging, but not too much where your form is giving out. So working the back of our shoulders. Good. All right. Other side. So I like to wrap the band around my hand that's on the ground, so I don't need to worry about it slipping or my grip strength, but feel free to hold the band in any way that you like. Palm down, and then we're going to fly up. Let's go. Keep your shoulders facing the ground. I don't want your torso rotating. Just your arm lifting up and the back of your shoulder squeezing to lift up that arm. Last exercise in the circuit. Good. Done. That was our upper body workout. I hope you feel amazing. If you're going for round 2, this is where you restart. Go back to the beginning of the start of the circuit. Go for round 2, go for round 3. I love that for you. That's amazing. If not, please make sure you cool down. I'll put a cool down workout video here. Do that so that your muscles can recover. Please like this video if you want more workouts like this, and I will see you next time on the mat. If you enjoyed this workout video, make sure to join me on bandbarstudios.com. There you'll get access to over 200 exclusive workouts, free challenges, form videos for over 100 exercises, workout tips, and more to help you on your health and fitness journey. If you're not a Bandbar Studio member yet, check the description below for promo codes and click on that link to start your free trial today. See you next time on the mat.